Hi, it's Esther from the Trucking Scribe. How are you today? I am working on a little notebook. I thought I would bring you guys in and let you see what I'm working on. I have a cover that I designed that has Psalms on it. And it says, "Be still and know that I am God." Psalms 46:10. It's one of my favorite Psalms at this point. I keep thinking and asking God, well, when am I going to be still? Because I'm never still. One day I'll get still and He'll answer. But this little notebook I'm making for a friend, I'm going to do a pamphlet stitch. Basically, all I've done is take a regular size sheet of paper and cut it in half. And I've stenciled on some of them, as you can see. Purple stencil. Then, since I want to do a pamphlet stitch, I'm doing 3 holes, which I got ahead of myself. Basically, you could measure these out, but I didn't. I just took and pushed through there. See, got a little hole there. And then in the middle, same thing. And over here, the same thing. So that leaves me with 3 holes in the middle. I'm sorry for all the noise. Maybe I'll be able to edit that out. Now, I was going to get a paper clip or a big binder clip. What did I do with them? I've been doing this a good while, so I generally don't use the binder clips. But if you're new and you're just starting, you can, before you poke your holes, go ahead and put a binder clip on it to hold the papers together, and then poke your holes. So I'm just using regular copier paper. Like I said, it's cut in half, folded, and put into what is called a signature. A signature is a set of pages that are sewn together for a book. I'm using waxed thread for bookbinding. Actually, you can use embroidery floss and get you some wax, a bar of wax, and run it through there. But I do not have any today, so I can't show you. But the wax makes it much sturdier and lasts longer. You can use crochet thread, anything that's about that thickness. Regular sewing machine thread, polyester will probably, you might could put it together and use 3 or 4 strands, but it will actually probably outlast your paper. But to continue on, to do this pamphlet stitch, it's pretty simple. You go in the middle hole right there and you pull it out. See? Then you go back in the top hole. So it holds it. When you use this binder clip, it keeps it in line. And then you go down through the bottom and back up through the middle. Right there. And I actually should have, I'm totally getting backwards today. I should have cut the thread. So generally when you're figuring out thread, you would measure 3 lengths of your paper. So like 1, 2, 3 and cut it off there. So when you come up, you always pull the strings with the way the paper is going, like this one here is coming from right here. So I would pull it down and this one would go up to keep from ripping your pages. So you come up in the middle, you've got this one on one side of this rope, the middle string, and one on the other side. After you've tightened it pretty good, just tie a double knot. One going one way and one going the other. So the first one was left over right. So the second one is going to be right over left. I'll tell you, I have a hard time with that one. And you just tighten it up. You trim your threads. You can leave them a little long if you want to. If you don't want to, you don't have to. But you're all done. Now you have a nice pamphlet stitched notebook to give to somebody. See? It's all together. Worked pretty good. I actually want to find my my office is not organized today. I apologize. But thank you for stopping by and hope to see you soon. Thank you.